Today we're in downtown LA for the Olafur Eliasson OPEN exhibition at the Geffen Contemporary at MOCA, a former warehouse renovated by Frank Gehry. The exhibition presents site-specific installations by Danish-Icelandic artist Olafur Eliasson, along with a selection of recent works, transforming the gallery into a giant viewing device that challenges our perception and opens up infinite spaces, allowing us to experience our surroundings in a new way. The work reflects the artist's ongoing exploration of light, colour, geometry and environmental awareness, embracing both materiality and immateriality, while creating new connections that open up possibilities. Through this, Eliasson encourages us to look around, be present, and fully embodied in the moment. This installation creates a distorted view of the sky, changing according to the weather and time of day. This is one of my favourite installations. The kaleidoscope sits directly beneath the skylight, mirroring its grid and the sky above. The pool of water at the top gently tilts, creating these mesmerising waves. The rainbow is actually a full circle, though it appears to be an arch due to the horizon of the floor blocking the full view. In this installation, the viewer becomes part of the artwork, with overlapping shadows projected that shift in intensity and scale based on the viewer's proximity. This light show installation lets you view behind the scenes, revealing how the projections are created. This is another one of my favorites. In this installation, Eliasson designed a device that generates one drawing each day, influenced by the local weather conditions. In this space, semicircular tubes are mounted to a mirror, completing the circular shape and making them appear to be floating. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.